a vision in my mind, but one copy's not enough for me. So I reach for something soft, just a simple idea, a little impressive putty to make it real. Impressive putty, take the form of the clay, catch every tiny detail that I made. Peel it back, now I've got a mold. Pour that epoxy resin, use your imagination. We mold it again and again and again. Pop it out, the clay's still fine. Reusable dreams, never wasting time. Heat the mold around now, press it down. What are we gonna make next time around? Impressive putty, hold the shape, every line and seam. From a simple clay idea to a polished dream. Peel back the mold, now the casting shines. Yeah, we mold it again and again and again. Make a whole collection from a single start. Turn repetition into your art. No waste, no fear, just create and try. If it's not quite right, just remix, retry. That's the beauty in the way we play. You can always mold another day. Press, mold, pour, create, repeat.